English workshop of all the world is a stage. First question, read the words in given clouds and match them with what they signify. First, stage. The word stage means here life. Second word, characters means a role played by human being. Word third signifies situations and incident. Word fourth, dialogues. Dialogues means conversation. The word dialogue means conversation. The word entry. Entry word signifies birth. Last word exist. Word here exist means death. Second question, read the poem carefully and complete the following table. First column, age of man. Second column, their role. And third column, qualities and actions. There are 7 ages of man. There are 7 stages in the life of human being. The first stage is an infant mewling, quaking in the nurse's arm. Mewling means cry, quaking means vomit. Qualities of an infant is mewling and quaking. Second stage, second age of man is a schoolboy. He is unwilling to go to school. He creeps as like a snail. Qualities of actions of schoolboy: creeping, unwilling to go to school. Third stage in the life of human being is lover. Qualities, actions: he sighs as like a furnace. He sings the songs. He praised the beauty of his beloved. Qualities of the lover: sighing and singing the song, singing the ballad. Fourth stage in the human lives is a soldier. Soldier is always jealous in honor. He seeks the bubble reputation. Qualities of soldier: jealous in honor, seeking the bubble reputation. Fifth stage in the life of human being, justice. Here justice means judge. Here justice just means middle-aged people who are wise. They have experience, they have the responsibilities, they now settled in their homes, in their families, and now they are very strict persons. Qualities of justice, judge, they are wise, experience. Sixth stage of the human being means senior citizens or elder person. During this age, senior citizens wear spectacles. They can't see clearly. Now they lose their voice. Now they become thinner and thinner. Their pantaloon becomes loose. Six stage senior citizens quality actions are they wear spectacles, lose the voice, become thinner. Last stage, seventh stage, old person. It is also called second childhood. It is also called second childhood because old persons, they have not teeth, they are without teeth, they are without eyes, means they couldn't see clearly, they can't take the test, or without everything. So last seventh stage, it is called the second childhood in the lifespan of the human being. Okay, thank you.